Hello YouTube and welcome to another short video about the new Apple iPad mini. This time is all about the keyboard and the size and the, how well you can type on it. For a short comparison, I've got here an old big normal sized iPad and you can see the keyboard of the iPad mini is way smaller than on the normal size. And now with my fingers, 10 fingers typing won't work here. I just start by typing hello YouTube, how are you? So this works quite well, but as you can see, I'm just using 2 fingers. Now, 4 fingers on both ends, maximum 6 fingers. It works, so it works. Normal typing is still possible, I would say, with the same speed as on the normal sized iPad. I have here a smart cover. Let's hook it up so that we can give the iPad mini a small angle for better typing. And let's try again how this works. I think it's a little, autocorrect is my friend, but better. Definitely with this angle I can type better. There's another way. You can part the keyboard and then type this way, but I don't. Don't like it. It's okay, but not great. Same way goes for the vertical way. Both time again we got 2 keyboards here. It is okay to type this way, and again we can put them back together, zip, and we got one big keyboard here. We got one big keyboard here. So both ways work. I would prefer for the vertical holding 2 types, and for the horizontal typing just one big keyboard with an angle. So I hope I could help you guys. Of course, you always got Siri and the voice recognition. You get the dictate function, but just try it out. So typing is still working on the iPad mini. Thanks for watching and bye.